What's up, guys? This is your boy Jaden, aka Humanity Blackest, aka just Jaden, cause this is my first ever YouTube video I'm making, so it's a big deal. So, like I told some people in my life, I was gonna make a cooking video, which I kind of have the project working now. You know, I'm hungry and I'm kind of fat right now, so you know. If you don't know what I ate, it's called Korean corn dogs. You know those corn dog places that go viral? They're kind of, the cheese pool. They're like potato on them sometimes. They're potato dogs. So I'm gonna show you how to make those later on in the video. I just want to say how y'all doing. How you fam? How y'all doing? I want to do this. I wanted to do a live with my fans and stuff. But I need to concentrate. I need to concentrate when I'm cooking for my first video. So sorry about that. Maybe in the next video I will have y'all live with me, so I can do mentions to most of my mutuals and stuff. So yeah. So we're gonna do a cooking video, and also make sure to follow, subscribe me, hit the bell for notifications too. Then any of my social medias y'all don't have me on, like TikTok, Instagram. I might put my Snapchat, I'm not sure, but yeah. So let's get to the kitchen. Hey, what's up, guys? This is the video y'all requested for. So should I have anything Korean corn dogs like y'all said you want me to, because last day on live y'all call me trash for some reason, so I'm gonna show y'all how I can get it down. Okay, guys, these are some ingredients you'll need to make the Korean corn dogs. First, you got your panko breadcrumbs. Any kind will work, honestly. Then I have Nathan's, but you can use any hot dogs y'all like, because some people don't like some brands. So then the best option for cheese juice for the corn dogs is mozzarella, but you could probably substitute it for something else, but that's fine. And of course you need oil. Then you need sugar. Then let's go over here. And I have some stuff in the fridge or in the freezer. Then you need pancake mix, which I have in a container. So yeah, you need pancake mix. It's a little cloudy because it's been in the freezer. Make sure to leave it in the freezer or fridge for a good 2 hours so it can be more solid, so it could coat the hot dog or mozzarella you're using to record. So yeah. And of course you need some skewers so you can skew the hot dog or mozzarella, whichever one you want to eat first. And some of the appliances you need also is probably a pot. Then you also need a cutting board. Then let's see. Any knife will work, but any knife will work. So the first thing to do, we're gonna cut our fire on. Then we're gonna get your canola oil, any brand. Pour it in the pot. Get it probably a little bit more so you could coat the corn dogs when you put them in. Okay, now that our oil is heating up, you're gonna get your cutting board and knife, and we're gonna chop up our cheese. And then later, we're gonna skewer the cheese we chopped up, then our corn dogs. Okay. Okay, now we got our block of cheese and our knife. So we're just gonna begin cutting everything. Okay, guys, now we're gonna start chopping up our mozzarella. You can chop it in rectangles, like this, so long rectangles. They don't have to be too thick, so make them kind of small. Then you can sit the extra on the sides. So it'd be like this kind of. Then if you want to do half and half, like half hot dog, half mozzarella, then you just chop the hot dogs in half, then chop the mozzarella in half and combine them. So now you got your mozzarella. Okay, now that we got our mozzarella and hot dogs, we can start putting the panko in the bowl. So you basically get any container that can hold it, making sure it's deep enough so when you dip the pancake in the over the hot dog or mozzarella, the panko can actually go around it. So just pour a good amount. See, that should be a good enough right there. That should be good enough. Then just shimmy it down. Okay guys, the next step is that we got panko crumbs that we got in our red bowl, right? Then we got the cheese bricks we chopped up, right? Then we got our two glizzies that we're about to skewer in a minute. So the next part is basically dipping the panko in the pancake mix that's in the fridge right now. So we're gonna put it in like a little glass cup and dip it basically. After we dip it, we're gonna put in the panko crumbs. Then we're gonna just fry it. The grease should be ready by now, so that should be good. Okay, we got our pancake mix, guys. So okay, we got our pancake mix. So it should be kind of soft. I want it a little bit more like solid like this, but I guess that's gonna be what we can do for now. So we're gonna move on to the dip. Okay, so we got our glass. Then we got our pancake mix. So we're just gonna pour it in the glass slowly. Oh, so I'm gonna pour it in the glass. That's taking forever. Look at me beat up the glass. Oh my gosh. I think that should be good enough for it. I might put it back in the fridge for a little bit so it can harden. A little, maybe more solid. But it looks kind of good consistency. Okay, I'm gonna set that to the side. Okay, since the pancakes mixed in the fridge, getting to the consistency I want it, I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm also gonna put this on TikTok, but it's gonna be a little snippet. So if you've seen this on YouTube, you go see on my TikTok, which is Humanity's Blackest, which I post anime content, basically everything anime. So follow me there if you really want to like see more content of me. Take more requests, especially in my Q&A section, because I only have like a few questions people ask me. So head over there, ask me some questions, I'll answer them for the next video. Also, I might be doing a reaction series too, so if you want to hop over there, you can. But yeah, so I'm about to take it out to the fridge in a minute so we can start putting in the oils and just get it cracking. Stuart, leave him alone. Look at you. Bailey, trying to eat. You on 4K camera, Stuart. Look at you. Stuart, say hi. Okay, you're being boring. Okay, so now we are gonna get our skewers. So your little skewer. Then you're gonna put it like directly into the middle of the cheese if you're doing cheese. So yeah, that's the cheese stick right here. Then you get your little glizzy or hot dog, whatever you want to call it. Some y'all be weird sometimes, but you're gonna stick it in the same way, basically, not poking any holes. But yeah. Okay, guys, the next part is gonna be the dipping process, which is gonna be paying attention because you're gonna take your stick. You're gonna do. So you got a stick. You're gonna dip it in the pancake. Then you're gonna roll it in the panko. Then you have to throw it in the grease real quick, because if you do too long, then some of the pancake will fall off of the stick and what you got on it. So you have to do it in like a process. So I got your stick. So we're gonna do pancake mix. Just twirl it. Just twirl it. Take it out. Make sure to get all the pancake on it if you can. So like that. Then dip in the panko real quick. So dip in the panko. Okay, then just dip it in your grease. It's that simple, basically. So we're going to do the hot dog next. So So dip your hot dog. Might have to might have to tilt this over real quick. Just tilt it a little bit. Yeah, just tilt it. Oh no. Okay, let's tilt it. Make sure to twirl it good enough. Yeah, twirl it. I'm making a mess. Oh, look at that. And then just do the same thing with the hot dog, what you did with the cheese one. If it will stay. And you just throw it in. Dang, my hand. My dog. I'm gonna eat my dog's food. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna let those cook for a little bit. See what utensil I need. And your tongs. And make sure to like spin them around so they get evenly cooked on each side. See, look at that. See, guys, look at that, look at that. Make sure not to burn them because you know how some of y'all be, because y'all be oh, make sure your grease is low too, because we don't want to burn the kitchen down. And I ain't going to call no cops. So it looks almost about done. The cheese and the hot dog are getting stuck together. Oh no! So there we go. No, I'm good. So it's about to be good and cook. I'm about to take them out, so. They're kind of together because the cheese kind of went on the other one, so we're just going to take them out like this. So I'm going to sit my roll to the back, and then make sure these are good. Move them over here. They look crispy. Look at that crisp. Look at that cheese. Then all you do is pour a little sugar on them. Just a little bit. And then you just toss them in the paper towel. So. Then we got our little corn dogs. The cheese one's kind of more floppy because cheese is kind of melty, so it doesn't hold. But look how good that looks like. So I'm gonna wait for them to cool off. So I'm gonna get a few more minutes. I might cook some other ones or extra one. So it's just sits tight. Hey, what's up, guys? They're cooled off. So I'm gonna show y'all the final product. So this is the final product. See. My taste test. Gotta dip them up. They're best with ketchup, but you can use mustard and like spicy mayo, like the Chinese mayo stuff. I don't have that, so I'm gonna try it. Okay. They're pretty good. They're easy to make, so if y'all want, if you're like hungry, have hot dogs, cheese, and yeah, they're pretty good. So thank y'all for watching my tutorial. If you have any requests, I will take them. Like I said before in my last clip, I said like or subscribe me. And then also I post on TikTok, so follow me at HumanityBlackest and just_Jaden on Instagram. So yeah, I'm about to go eat, so